Let me show you a quick way on how to get Windows 10 or 11 key cheap and activate it quickly. Head over to Scdkey.com, type Windows 10 in the search box, click on Windows 10 OEM Global Key, click on Buy Now. In the next window, enter code LEVE in the promotion code field, and you will see that the price is reduced 25%. Submit your order and choose your payment method. I went with PayPal. Once the transaction is finished, go to the user center or the page will do it for you in 10 seconds. You will see your key under My Purchased Orders. Click on the green button that shows View Keys or Codes and click on the Get the Key. Copy the key. Right-click on the Start button and click Settings. On the bottom of the window there should be a prompt to activate Windows. Click that. Now in the bottom there will be a Change Product key. Click it and a new window will pop up. Simply paste your key here and hit Next and then Activate. Wait a few seconds until Windows is being activated. And congrats, now you have an activated Windows. To show you that this activation is permanent, we will run a command in the command prompt. Just type slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should get a pop-up saying that the machine is permanently registered.